This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix no internet connection error in TikTok. So whenever you launch your TikTok app, you see no internet connection issue. Follow these easy steps to fix it. The first solution is make sure to enable your internet connection and use a strong internet connection, and then try to relaunch the TikTok app. The second solution is you have to update your TikTok application. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for TikTok. If you see any update available, then update the app and check the issue. And if you're still having the same issue, follow the last solution. Uninstall your TikTok app and reinstall it from App Store or Play Store. And hope any of the solution will fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.